Okay, welcome to day 3, Arizona Trail. So, there was a pretty bad storm predicted for last night, but it never really materialized. There's some snow, and it's been snowing lightly all morning. So I didn't get a hitch out of Jacob Lake. So I'm walking I think it's 2.5 miles. It's flat road, so pretty easy. So there is some snow predicted for tonight, just a couple inches. When I get to the trailhead, it's going to be all uphill. 5 miles to a bad water source and 10 to a good one. So I'm carrying 2 liters. Shouldn't be too bad. Pack doesn't feel that heavy. It is, well, I left the Jacob Lake Inn just after 10 a.m. and it's, well, it'll be close to 11 by the time I get on trail. So I'm expecting to do like 15 miles. So maybe 4 miles after that good water source, there is a place to camp. Got some traffic on this road. So anyway, I guess that's about it. My partner Sam, he was a great help. He's taken another night at Jacob Lake, and then I think he's gonna either walk this road south and catch up with the trail south of here, or just catch a ride. So he'll be most likely ahead of me. So I might run into him maybe around the Grand Canyon or so. All right, that's it for now. Okay, so I'm still walking. I got confused because Jacob Lake Inn is south of the trailhead, and I took 89A north to get back to it, but that just goes away from the trailhead, kind of northwest of Jacob Lake. So, I don't know, 4 bonus miles in for the morning. At least it was on the road. Pretty easy walking, but still, I'll end up doing 6 or 6.5. So, I don't know. I got another mile or mile and a half to the trailhead. Okay, that's northbound. This road is 89 or 87A, and so I'm heading southbound. Finally reached the trail, and here we go. I got 5 miles and 1,000 feet of climbing to the first kind of nasty water source. I'll probably skip that, and then it's kind of flat for the next 5 miles to the second water source. So, all right, here we go. Southbound. The leaves are off all the aspens. There's a couple. All right, there it is, Ridge Tank. Honestly, I would drink out of that. Doesn't look too bad. But there's better water up ahead in 5 miles. All right, so heading south. Let me see. It's 2:08. Sorry. 5 miles. Just call it 2 hours. That's 4 o'clock. Might be staying there for the night. And If you can see it, there's a little bit of snow coming down, just light flurries. So that just started in the last 5 minutes or so. All right, moving on. All right, this was kind of convenient. I had to go to the bathroom, and this is kind of out in the middle of nowhere. Snow's coming down pretty good. They're really small flakes, but it's going to start accumulating sooner or later. So I have like, I want to say 2 miles to the water source, the good water source, and I think I said this before, but I'll most likely spend the night there. So just looking to get there. It'll be 4 o'clock, and I'm trying to find the Arizona Trail. I don't know if this is it. I guess it is. All right, heading southbound.